Hi, so this is a video to show you how to fulfill UK orders using ShipStation. So just quickly, ShipStation is the website that brings in all our orders from all the different places we sell. So our website, eBay, Etsy, and most importantly as well, Amazon. Um, Now you'll see where an order has come from in this column here on the store page, on the store column there. So this order has come from Amazon UK. Yeah, it doesn't really matter where the order has come from. You don't need to do anything particular depending on whether the order comes from Amazon or our website. The only real important thing is the destination. So this one here is saying Amazon UK. So we know that this order has come in through Amazon UK because obviously we sell on Amazon US, Mexico, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Sweden, Netherlands, Poland, Belgium. I think that's it. But all you need to know is that this is a UK order effectively. So the first thing we can do is go inside it. So you just click the order number on the left, and it will show you all the order details. So it shows you, the price they paid, the date the order was made, and then here's the important stuff. It's the address, the telephone number. This email here is generated by Amazon. So whenever we actually create a shipment on ShipStation, it will automatically send the tracking details to Amazon, and then Amazon will update the customer. They'll say your order has been shipped, here's your tracking number, things like that. But the beauty of a system like this is that everything happens automatically. You don't need to do anything. All you need to know is the product that they ordered, and it's pretty clear here that this is the really useful piano poster. So just bear in mind, because if I go to some previously shipped posters here, these are previously shipped orders. They're in the shipped column here. I was in the awaiting shipped column previously. You can see here all of these orders that have previously been shipped, and also the different stores. So this one was for Amazon France, so we know that was going to France. This was for the UK, this was for the UK, this one was for Spain, this one was for DE, which is Germany. This one came from Walmart in the US. This one came from Shopify, which is our website. You can actually ignore the Walmart orders because they get dealt with automatically by somebody else, so you don't need to worry about that. But you can just see all the different orders coming in from all the different stores. But we're just looking at UK orders for now. Ignore these two test orders. I created them for something else, but I'm just going to apply a filter up here at the moment. Again, don't worry about what I'm doing here, but all you need to know is an order comes in, and we know this is a UK order. Oh, that's what I was going to show you. You can see the different products. So if you click on the order number, you can see this one was a guitar poster. If you click the next arrow, so was this one. That was a guitar poster. This one, that was a piano poster. Next one, that was a guitar poster. So, a guitar poster, piano poster, and chord poster. So it's important to look at this section to determine exactly what's been ordered and make sure you get it right, basically. Don't miss out on order, don't miss out on item. That's really important. But that's the main thing that you're looking for when you look at these domestic orders here. So this one at the top, they've ordered a piano poster. Then all you need to do is all the settings should be they should all be done for you. So the weight should automatically be entered into there. The service shows you how it's being shipped. So I've got different services available. I've got Royal Mail Tracked 24. So that's just a service that Royal Mail offer, where you can send parcels on a guaranteed 24-hour service, and it's tracked. You don't get a signature or anything, but it's just tracked. Or I've got DHL Parcel, and Parcel Next Day is the service that DHL offer. It's called Parcel Next Day. Now, it defaults to using Parcel Next Day because I use Parcel Next Day DHL for all UK orders. Why? Because DHL is just so much easier. It's a little bit more expensive. It's about 50p more expensive than the Royal Mail rate, but I have got an arrangement with the DHL driver. All I have to do is text him. If I've got shipments to go that day, UK shipments, international, he's not interested in international. I'll do another video covering those. But if you've got shipments, UK shipments that day, all you need to do is text the driver, and he'll come and collect them. Usually around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So do your orders in the morning if you can, and then text him, and then he'll come and collect them later on that day. But all UK orders go by Parcel Next Day with DHL. The packaging has already been pre-selected because we've got standard postal tubes and large postal tubes. For any order over 2 posters, it should automatically choose large postal tube. But for now, it's already chosen a standard postal tube. It's in the size and everything else. You just don't need to change it. And then the next thing you do is, when you start up My Computer every day before you do the orders, make sure the label printer is turned off. If it's already on when you start My Computer and then you try and print a label, for some reason it doesn't work. You then have to restart My Computer, and as soon as the computer restarts, the label comes out, the label printer. But the best way to make sure that there are no issues is just to start the label printer when after you've started the computer. So I'm going to press the button on the label printer, and you're going to hear it starting. Actually, does it even make a noise? I don't think it makes a noise when you start it up. But you just wait for the light on the printer to go green, as it has done, and then you press Create and Print Label, and this just goes off to DHL, books the shipment, and then it shouldn't do this. It shouldn't ask you to do this. It should just automatically. The label printer is called Z Designer, blah blah blah. So if it asks you to choose, you choose that one, and then I'm just going to hit Save as Label Print Default. So that means it shouldn't ask you next time. It should just default to the label printer, and then press Print Through ShipStation Connect, and now it's booking the shipment, and you should be able to hear. That's the label that's just come out of the printer. And then what I do is I write down in the little corner of the label what they ordered, which is the really useful piano poster. And I just write that in abbreviated letters. So I just write TURPP for the really useful piano poster in small, in the little, in the corner. In the corner of the label, like that. And that's because I'm not always going to do my orders straight away. I might print out the labels, and I'll have 4 or 5 labels there for 4 or 5 different orders, and then I'll do them in my coffee break, when I've got a bit of time. But I just print the shipments out anyway. It's also important to print the shipments out, or to do the shipments in good time. We have 48 hours to print the label and mark which effectively marks the order as shipped, before Amazon start complaining. They say that you've missed the window, and you can see here the order was 41 hours old. This is probably because it came in on a Friday night or Saturday morning, and it's now Monday morning. So you can't ever let this get over 48 hours. You have to print out the label before it gets to 48 hours. So in the morning, I'll just go and print all the labels for any outstanding orders, and then they can sit on top of the chest of drawers until I'm ready to package them up. And like I said, the DHL driver, just text them, they'll come and collect the UK orders later that day. So that's all you need to do to actually ship it. You just need one of these labels, and then there's the actual getting a tube, taking the correct poster out of the drawer or posters, rolling them up, putting them in the tube. I put 3 staples on the bottom of one tube, and then 1 staple on the bottom at the top of the tube, and then I put the label at the top of the tube, and then that's that. And I just keep them stacked there, ready for DHL to come and collect them. I'll show you how to do the physical fulfillment. I probably would have shown you already by the time you've seen this video, like actually how to take them out of the drawer, roll them up, put them in a tube, staple the ends, put the label on. That's kind of the easy bit. The more confusing bit is actually booking the shipments. So yeah, that's how you do a UK order, and I will also do another video on how to do an international order, because the process is slightly different. But for now, that's it. That's shipping a domestic order.